Hi everyone, this is my Panasonic FZ2000. It's a really nice camera. I really like it. I have it for almost 2 years now. But I noticed that some dust got inside the lens and I don't like this. I don't think this affects too much the image quality, but yeah, I still want to clean it. And for this, I don't think it's needed to disassemble the full camera. Only the first lens needs to be removed. So let's see. First step would be to remove the inner ring of the lens barrel, and I checked carefully, and this looks like a different texture material from the outside ring. So I would expect that this is fixed with double tape adhesive, and I will try to put something in between the glass lens and the plastic ring and pull it out. I'm going to try to insert this in between. Up next, we have 3 small screws. And then I would expect this ring to come out. So this lens is held by this small screw. Okay, so before continuing, I took really sharp picture of each adjustment screw because I want to try to put them back in the same position, and I'll see how can I do that. Maybe I can check the image and adjust them, readjust them looking at the monitor or something. I'll see. This was the most difficult operation because those yellow small screws, actually they are not screws, they are some like some bolts, and I managed to pull out one of them just a little bit, but enough to be able to push it with this needle. Push it out. Okay, so I managed to pull it out a little bit. Unfortunately, I couldn't film that. This is one adjustment bolt. And success. And before doing anything else, I noticed that there is a small like sponge gasket. Okay, so I managed to clean it. I put the gasket back, and don't you ever think to clean those inside lens with some cloth or something. Okay, so I put everything back, well, almost everything. those two bolts, adjustment bolts, and this little screw here. As for the adjustments, the two small bolts on left and right side, I just put them into the same position as they were. Yeah, thank you. Bye.